So today in this video we shall factorize x square plus 3x minus 18. So here the first expression x square and last expression minus 18 both are same. So now we factorize the last number 18. So it is 2 times 9 mean 18, 3 times 3 mean 9. So by multiplying within these numbers, now we take plus 3. So 2 times 3 means 6 and the other is 3. So plus 6 and minus 3, it means it is plus 3. So it becomes plus 6x minus 3x. So plus 6x minus 3x, it means it is plus 3x. So now we separate these expression into two parts. These both are first one and these both are last one. So now we find out common in the first these both expression. So both contain x. So x is common. Remaining in the first x plus x already came. So remaining is 6. Common here is minus 3. So 3 already came, remaining x plus 3 times 6 mean 18. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain x plus 6. So x plus 6 is common, remaining in the first x, in the last minus 3. So x plus 6 and x minus 3 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.